Oh my
Wiggle
god.
his horns. Touch his nose.
Touch his nose.
Oh gosh,
That is awesome.
that's kind of
Who buys this stuff for their kids? Does this walk? Does this walk?
No,
Because I see a hand over here. It kind of looks like it might walk.
I don't think it does. It was about $400 new, they said.
$400.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
He
jeez.
sounds like he's chewing sometimes.
Yeah.
And then he kind of snorts too. Kind of push on his horn and on his nose.
Like that? Whoa, did he just move his horns?
Yeah.
Wow, that is really cool.
That is one cool dino.